guys, it's Liv. Today we are doing a video all about healthy cooking and workouts. I know not all of you guys are interested in like fitness and working out, and that's totally fine, but I also know there are quite a lot of you who are interested in it, so this video will hopefully be helpful to some of you. So this video is a collab with the app 8Fit, which is a mobile app that is for customized meal plans and workouts. I personally am definitely a beginner when it comes to fitness and working out, but since I am a beginner, I wanted to show you guys kind of what the beginner workout is like that they suggest, and then also just some of the recipes that I really enjoy from the app.
Woke up at 11 o'clock, I ain't got no job.
The great thing about this app is that it has over 700 recipes and there's new ones added every month. When you sign up, it asks what your diet type is, so obviously I clicked vegan. If you have any allergies, you can just cross them out, and basically it will make you a meal plan. The ones that I loved that I wanted to make in this video were the noodles with creamy lentil sauce and the sweet potato and spinach curry with tofu.
These days I don't get no sleep. Couple minutes and I'll be good.
So you are just going to boil the sweet potatoes, and then we are going to chop up some smoked tofu. I'd never actually tried smoked tofu before making this recipe, but I am so glad I tried it because it is absolutely delicious. You are just going to put a little bit of oil in your frying pan and fry up the tofu and sweet potato. Add a little bit of curry paste. I didn't have curry paste, so I used curry powder, and then I added a little splash of coconut milk in hopes that it would make it very similar to a curry paste, and I think it worked. It tasted really good. And then you are just going to add in your spinach at the end and cook it until it wilts, and that is it. It is so simple. Like I said, these are perfect for beginners, but honestly guys, this tastes absolutely amazing and it's really, really good for you and really filling.
What you gotta say? What the deal? How you feel? Not important. All I'm thinking about is riding in these Porsches, but don't be coming at me with that horse.
So I used red lentils for this, and I just cooked those, and then in the meantime I put some oil in a frying pan and cooked my onions until they were translucent. Then I added the spices, vegetable broth, tomato sauce, and the cooked lentils. Normally with this recipe it says to puree it if you are using like brown lentils, but since I used red lentils and they're already a very soft consistency, I just left them whole, and as you can see it made a kind of creamy lentil bolognese sauce.
Cross-traded till I'm cross-eyed, lost my sense of who I was, who I am, it's the wrong guy. Thoughts gonna multiply.
I started running back at the beginning of February, which is a huge deal for me because I have never run in my life. I've never played sports in my life, but apparently now I'm a runner. I don't really know how it happened. My very first run was 12 minutes long, and now I can run 8 kilometers without stopping. I'm honestly so proud of myself. This is my March habit tracker in my bullet journal, and so you can see the days in green are the days that I run, and then on the white days in between are the days that I typically will do another type of workout. So sometimes I will do a workout kind of like the 8Fit ones in my home. I still feel pretty self-conscious in a gym, which is why I usually just do them like in the comfort of my own living room. So the workout that the app has given me is very beginner. I feel like the creators of this app honestly understand what being a beginner is like, and they don't just rush into giving you stuff that beginners really probably don't know how to do. So I'm sure lots of you who use the app have way more advanced workouts, but this is just the one that it suggests for me and the one that I have been doing to ease into more body weight type exercises. The first thing is 12 shoulder pulses. So this is literally what it sounds like. You are just pulsing your arms. The next one is called Good Mornings. I think this one is so funny. The next one is push-ups. It says hands knee height, and then you are just doing push-ups from there. Hyperextensions. This reminds me of flying lotus in yoga. And then the next one is called bob weave squats. I actually just do regular squats because I feel like really silly doing these. So the idea is that you want to go through all the reps and then do that loop as many times as you can in 9 minutes.
I ain't really worried about nothing. All these people all around me always worry about something, yeah. Saying I should stay up in the books and not start to build a buzz, but they the ones bugging, yeah. So I don't really feel like staying. I don't really feel like playing. Quit fucking with the plans. A couple young kids, polo kicks, not rich. Stacking money on a one-way trip, yeah. I ain't really worried about nothing. All these people all around me always worry about something, yeah. Saying I should stay up in the books and not start to
I really feel like doing these workouts has helped me with my running just because it's strengthening other muscles in my body that I wouldn't normally use while I'm running. So I really hope you guys enjoyed this video and I hope you got something out of it or that it helped you in some way. I also wanted to say thank you to 8fit for collaborating with me on this video. If you guys are interested in downloading it, like I said, the link is in the description box below. That is everything I have to say for now. I hope you guys are having an amazing day and I will see you guys in my next video.